I'm Larry Grooms, the primary sponsor of the Heartbeat Bill, Senate 1. It's been a long road to get here. Representative McCravey called me a little more than 4 years ago, do you think we can get it done? And I said, there's been a lot of ground plowed, let's try it. But the Senate didn't have the required numbers of pro-life members to accomplish what we needed. But thanks to the hard work of many around our state, this election cycle, when the votes were counted, we had the required numbers. 500,000 little boys and girls have lost their lives in South Carolina since 1970. 500,000. 500,000 that cry out today and sing hallelujah that won't ever have to happen again. Every year we've learned more and more about the humanity of the unborn. Every year more and more South Carolina citizens have gone to the polls and said we want pro-life legislators because we believe that every person, born and unborn, has a right to live. Today, in just a few moments, we're about to do something that I spent a quarter of a century to do, and that is to shut down the abortion industry in this state. As you've seen, the South Carolina Senate is still in session. The Speaker, President Peeler, would be here speaking. The majority leader's up at the podium right now. Many senators are here right now. I'd like to ask them to raise their hands. And the thing is, they're pro-life. Our House members are pro-life. Too many times there's been friction between these two bodies, but on this we're united. On this we stand together. On this we will give our unborn citizens the protection, legal protections. God has given them life. We will now offer them the legal protections. We stand here today united as one South Carolina behind a pro-life governor who's about to pull that pin out. Today is a day to celebrate.